Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at LizzieLoves, and today I'm going to share with you everything in my August makeup bag. Now, I do have a project pan that's going on right now, the 5 by Fall, so I will link the intro video for you guys interested. I also am doing a Pan That palette this year. I will link my updated one right here, but everything in this basket or bag, makeup bag, is what I use on an everyday basis, what I'm going to be concentrating on during this month. So let's get into what it is that's in this bag. So the first thing is my eyeshadow primer. This is the Milani eyeshadow primer, and I have the shade Nude. I use this on an everyday basis whenever I'm using eyeshadow, and this is perfect. You just kind of take a little pea-sized amount, apply it onto your eyelids, and it locks in my eyeshadow, so I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the day falling off or flaking or rubbing off. It lasts. So check this out if you're interested. For eyeshadows, like I mentioned, I'm doing a Pan That palette this year on the Marc Scandalust eyeshadow palette. So if you're interested in seeing where I'm currently at on this palette, be sure to check out the video in the cards. And then I'm pairing it with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette for a couple shades that I need because of certain shades that have used up in this palette. So this will always be in my basket right now until I use up the Marc Jacobs. To continue on with eyes, I have my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black. It is what's on my eyes now. I love this stuff. I tested it against the Ofra Verified Liquid Eyeliner. I'll link that video in the cards for you guys. And I will be testing it against another liquid eyeliner this upcoming month. So be sure to subscribe to stay up to date for that and see how the battle goes, which one is better for the battle of the liquid eyeliners. And yeah, this is my favorite right now, and I use it every day. Also have a nude eyeliner in here. This is from Essence. It's the Easy Glide and Waterproof Silky Nude Liner. And I love this stuff for going right in your waterline underneath. Just kind of helps brighten your eyes, make them pop. I don't use it on an everyday basis. If I'm going to hang out with girlfriends, do kind of something special, I'll use this. But for hanging around the house and stuff like that, I haven't been gravitating towards this that much. But it does house and stay in my makeup basket just so I know where it is. And when I do want to use it, it's there. Then for mascara, this month I am working on the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. And I don't think there's a certain shade. Yeah, no, it just says Big Ego. It is what's on my lashes now. I like it. I don't think it's like super amazing. I probably wouldn't repurchase it. I think there are drugstore products that are probably better than this, but it's good for now. It came in a set and I'll continue to work on it. Moving on to face. I have been reaching for my Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator a lot and will continue to work on it this month. The shade I have is Light Neutral, which is the same as my Tarte Shape Tape that I love to use and is always going to be in my makeup basket as well. I love these products. Just wish this kind of had sunscreen and I don't have to apply sunscreen under it or over it. I have a full review demo of showing you how I use this product. I will link in the cards above. Really like it, and I'm going to continue to use these two products this month. To set all that, you don't typically need to set all of it, but sometimes I like a little extra boost. This is my Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder, and looks dark white, but it is translucent. Just kind of apply it with a big fluffy brush all over my face, and I just love the way it makes my skin look. That's what I'm wearing today. Then under the eyes, I use their Brighten Up Banana Powder, and this is just really a pale yellow kind of powder that just helps brighten up certain areas of your face. I like to use it on my under eyes mainly, but you can use it at forehead, nose, whatever you want to, just kind of help brighten it up. But this is a nice product as well. Honestly, I haven't been reaching for bronzer. I only have one bronzer, and I think maybe it's because I'm getting sun or something. I just don't reach for it on an everyday basis. But for blush, I have been using my Essence Mosaic blush in All You Need Is Pink. It is in my 5 by Fall project pan, and I love this stuff. I'm trying to use it up, so that's kind of my main goal, but I really like the way this looks. It's just one of those products that I see so much pan, I want to use it up, if you know what I mean. So I'm working on this product this month. Then for highlighter, I have my Becca Champagne Pop Jaclyn Hill Face Palette. And I want to hit pan on Champagne Pop up here. You'll see that in the 5x fall as well. So that's kind of my goal for this one. Hopefully I can get a lot of good use in August to reach that goal. Then the other thing is a little mini lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the shade Pillow Talk. This is also in that project pan. I'm going to share with you guys the progress on this in an update for that project. So you'll see that, but this is also in the basket. But that is everything that I am working on in like kind of my full face for the month of August and the products that I will be using on an everyday basis. Let me know what your favorite product or what is in your makeup basket this month. I love to check it out, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.
Stumbling out of bed and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm